Happy Monday, my fellow traders and my fellow investors. So this is going to be a quick video. This will be my first trading videos that I'm going to show you guys. And I'm going to show you guys how I made $2,120 on a Monday morning. So let me show you real quick what the trade that I made that made me $2,120 today. Let's go to my history. These two stocks, I bought them last week and I sold them this morning. So these two stocks that I sold that made me $2,120 was Nio and Square. So I'm going to show you the contracts that I bought for Square and Nio last week that I sold this morning. One of the Square contract that I bought it back in 1 July. I bought a $116 call expiring on July 10. I bought one contract for $360. And the other Square that I bought 115 call expiring 17 July, one contract for $455. And the Neo that I bought $9.50 call expiring July 10th. I bought three contracts for $165. Now that I showed you what I bought last week, I'm going to show you how much I sold them for this morning. As you guys can see, it's the same one, the $9.50 call that expires July 10. So for the three contracts, so you guys can see, the three contracts for Neo, I bought them for $165 and I sold them for $795. That's about $600 something profit right there. And then I also sold one of the Square. I sold the Square with the $116 call expiring 10th of July. So you guys can see here, the 116 call, I bought it for $360. And look at here, this one I sold it for $990. So let's go for the Square with a 115 call, expiring 17 July. I bought it for $455 on 2nd of July. And now I sold it for, so you guys can see, I sold the Square with a $115 call expiring 17 July at $1,315. This is about $900 profit right here. So yeah, so this is how I made my $2,120 today. So by just selling these three options, two Squares and one Neo. And one thing that I can advise you guys, it's really good to do option call and Square and Neo because it seems like they're going up. And for Neo, you can always buy it and then sell it the next day or 2 days when you get $100 or $300 profit. Because for Neo, it seems like it just keeps going up. So it's just nice to have that constant profit if you buy this every day or every other day. If I can give you an advice, buy a call for Neo because it's just going to keep going up. And that's a good profit for you. And of course, if you can get in for a Square too, that's a good buy too. So this is how I made my $2,120. So I urge you to consider Neo and Square as your option because they've been giving me good profits. And this is just the beginning of this. And of course, if you want to see some more of my option trading, let me know in the comment below. I'm going to do more option trading now to get more profit, make more money. And those profit that I make, I'm going to invest it in a long-term stock like Square, Tesla, AT&T, Apple. And of course, I'm going to invest them in my M1 Finance account so that I can build my dividend investing portfolio. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys again. And of course, let me know if you guys want to see more of my option trading videos in the comment below.